Hey all, so a few days ago I was taking apart this coloring machine and I found this element in it, and I thought it was too interesting not to share because I've never seen anything like it. And at first glance this more or less looks like some kind of pressure valve for fluids with the classic low pressure connectors typically seen in LC gear, but there's no coupling. This is a complete separate element, and this is a motor with a magnet on. And the thought that it should be a some kind of magnetic valve is kind of off, right? Because you'd need a lot of force in a magnet for that to be reliable. What this is actually a very elegant way of mixing solvents. This is a tiny mixer. This is a tiny magnetic stirrer with a little Teflon magnet that can be turned in this little chamber with two inputs and an output. And this is like the logical way for a chemist to do this, but I've never seen anything like it as a machine element. There's not much more to it, but I thought that was pretty interesting. So I hope you enjoyed that little piece of weird scientific gear. I'll see if I can make some more little interesting videos on parts and stuff, details and components from LC gear and HPLC gear I find. And thank you for watching.